A few moments later.
Welcome back to the vlog. We're going to Coldwater, Ohio today. Currently at Mikey's house. And we're getting ready to go. I got my balls right there. Probably a bunch. More than 12, I think. I'll load them up in the car. It's about a 2-hour drive, I think. Time to do some heavy lifting. You gonna help me, Bells? No? Okay, bye. That's the trunk of a professional bowler. Professional bowlers. Off we go. We've arrived in Coldwater, Ohio, Claymore Lanes. We're gonna go inside and check out what's going on. I think, what time do they end practice? They should be done already, right? In we go. Alright, so we're gonna get some lunch while practice session is happening. They split the squads up. There's 3 squads, one this weekend, A, B, and C. 2 practice squads. They split the alphabet in half. A through whatever bowls now, and then obviously our last name starts with a T, Chris starts with a V. We bowl the second one, so we're getting some lunch, and we're gonna answer some of your questions from Instagram. More BJs, more BJs, more BJs. How was your poop? I mean drive.
It's fantastic.
Both times. Nice.
Probably. It smelled not great. Yep.
Ripe?
Doing some work.
Ripe. Alright. So we're gonna answer some questions. We have Mr. BJ
we're
Moore
answering
here.
questions.
We have
Yeah,
more
well, Q&A.
answers. Yeah, we're gonna answer 2 questions. I forgot what. Oh, did you ever not use grips?
Ooh, yeah, tried that. Died for like a good year and a
So
half.
you went from grips to no grips, back to grips.
Yes.
Okay.
So I went from grips to no grips, like sharp, just because.
Yes, sir.
I felt like if
Cleaner
you're
with
gonna do
it?
it, you're gonna do it. I was just trying to get like a little more feel because this hand is so
Feeling the ball.
soft.
Yeah.
What
you mean? You're so buttery soft.
Because we're real touch players. Quickly annihilated my fingers for a little while, then I started taping them. And then when I taped, I started, like, I would fluctuate a lot more. And I like my fingers really tight, so I couldn't get away with it. So I literally just, like, gave up a year and a half of trial and error.
Yeah, I feel pretty similar there.
Yeah.
I wanted more rev rate. I also know the biggest reason was grip pressure. I felt like without grips I had to like squeeze it more.
Yeah.
And then the whole fluctuating thing. That's why I went to vacuum. So I had a little bit of give.
Yeah.
That's why I went to vacuums and not just traditional.
So I felt like vacuums gave me too much give, and I wore out the grips too quick.
That's the problem. Yeah, I got to change my grips
so
more often than I'd like.
I went to 1-inch holes with no pilot at the bottom.
Oh, you taught Mikey that one.
Yeah.
I just do it now because I'm lazy.
Yeah. You started with no grips too, right?
Oh yeah. When I had no grips, I felt like a loser, and now I'm in grips and I feel like a winner. So
I think that's his answer.
that's about it.
Partially because he works for Pro Shop now.
What? No. I use grips for so much longer. Self-confidence.
What was your take on no grips?
I did it for a year. Wasn't great.
I feel like everybody has to.
Yeah, I feel like it's like a trial
too
thing.
curious.
Yeah, it's like I don't know. I felt like I was also kept them pretty sharp.
Yep.
So I don't know. I just feel like I missed it a lot at the bottom. So went back to grips and just crawled all over it.
Yeah. When you're on tour, you can't miss it at the bottom.
Nah. Bottom line, use grips.
Hit it harder.
All right, this question's for Mikey.
Oh no.
All right. Biggest misconception in bowling, or misconceptions?
Misconceptions.
He's got 2 already.
Pinup balls go longer. They don't. They hook earlier and more. And this is personal opinion. Urethanes don't ruin the lane. Yeah.
There was a response to that, I think on your tweet. I think somebody said if they're using it in the wrong way, it messes up the lanes.
It's just people don't know how to get around it. Just
They're
be
just
better
not
at
used
bowling.
to it. Yeah, there's more there's more of it going down the lane that they're used to seeing. So instead of learning to adapt and overcome, they complain and sit back and watch it happen.
Just
let them hit them in the face.
Get good.
It's just different. You just gotta learn.
It is.
Once you learn how to combat the urethane, push down, carry down, whatever you want to call it,
Yeah.
it makes the lanes easier, in my opinion.
I agree. Gives you hold left.
Free shit.
Free
You
shim.
can never go high.
We're always looking for push. We don't want hook. We have free hook.
Yeah, see?
This is hook. We make hook.
Yeah, you shim them up and then you put grips in your ball. And you never miss it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, the perfect Q&A. 1-2 punch.
Yeah.
All right. Now it's time for the second half of the bowl practice. Yeah, we have no idea what we're gonna do. I've thrown maybe like 5 shots so far, but they're kind of hard. So I feel like just observing is gonna help me see a better picture. Oh wow, I thought I brought a ball and I didn't. That sucks. Alrighty, well, just trying to figure out what we need to drill, if we need to drill anything. I've got some ideas so far, but the ball I thought I brought isn't here. I didn't bring it, so rip.
12 seconds later.
All right, here are options. We're thinking for the fresh. We got Pitch Black, Booyah Pro, Aspect's always gotta be in the bag. And for later in the block, we have Revival, Hustle. I don't know why I keep calling it the Idol. And UFO Alert. All right, got a couple of balls that we need to drill to fill out the rest of the bag, even though I brought like 16. So yeah, let's go do that. It's the paddock for the week. Lane 11, B-Squad. I'm lane 2.
Are you new at that?
Lane 2. Yeah, I'm new. First tournament.
First tournament.
Oh my god, I'm bowling with Tommy Jones? So intimidating. I'm scared. These are the ones for the fresh and for middle-ish to the end of the block.
How you drilling the proton? How you drilling the proton?
Strong.
Strong?
Like 3-inch pin.
Just trying to get it to roll out?
I'm gonna shine it up a little bit. Just stable.
Mine looked
Play
alright.
to the right. Something other than urethane option. I actually had a question today from Instagram.
Okay.
They said, would it be possible to sand your head with an Avalon pad and make it dull?
1 eternity later.
Oh, that looks painful.
Maybe this is what we should do for TV so it's not so glaring
Is it working?
instead of makeup.
I feel like it's just taking skin off your
I
head.
think it's just taking the scalp skin off, you know?
Is it? I think you just made it sweaty.
Yeah, probably not a good idea.
Changing plans, baby. You guys know what this is about. Alright, we got our balls done. On the truck, we did an original physics and an IQ tour. And now we're gonna go play some putt-putt. I think they teed off without me though. So, we'll see. I think I see them actually. Yep, they definitely did.
Which lap?
Oh no! Oh, that's a feeling throw. Is that illegal play?
What is happening?
Alright, Chris is about to bowl the Pro-Am. We're gonna get some ice cream and play some more mini golf. So we're gonna wrap up the vlog there. There are 3 squads tomorrow, A, B, and C. Sandy's bowling on the A squad, we're bowling on the B squad, and thankfully all three of us are on the same squad. And Chris is the best bowler in the world, so he's got to bowl the Pro-Am. So we're just gonna go be degenerates for the rest of the night. So we'll see you tomorrow for qualifying.